How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CapCut on your phone. Then you want to tap on New Project and import the video. As you do that, you will enter to the screen where you want to tap on the video, and then you want to tap on Effect. Tap on Video Effect, and in the Lens section, you want to go ahead and tap on Blur. If you don't find it, you can go to the search bar and search for the effect that is blur. Now you need to go back in the bottom, and then here you want to tap on Overlay that is in the middle. Tap on Add Overlay. Import the same video as we edited before. Now you need to make sure that previous video is selected and new video is selected. And so here you want to enter circle or rectangle. I'm choosing circle here. Now here what you need to do is you want to tap on the option of invert that is on the bottom left corner. After that, you will be able to do blur parts of video in CapCut, and you can use this feature for the whole video. And that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.